Amid Kejriwal insulin battle, AAP promises explosive media briefing. Atishi once again making that claim. Will expose plot against Chief Minister. AAP's media briefing will take place at noon today. Aditi is getting us more details on that. So another explosive presser, Aditi?
Well, exactly. You know, yesterday also when Saurabh Bharadwaj came out and held a press conference, he cited a letter written by Tihar DG to AIIMS, and they have maintained the claim that AAP is taking to the charge that Kejriwal is being denied insulin inside the jail when they have been prescribed by the doctors, and that's why they claim that Kejriwal's life is in threat in the jail, as BJP is playing a political witch hunt against the Kejriwal government, and to topple the government in Delhi, they are trying to kill Kejriwal inside the jail. And now today, as per the plan and procedure of the Aam Aadmi Party that has been since Kejriwal was arrested, that they are coming out again and again every day, holding press conferences and leveling more allegations against the central government, and the BJP saying that Kejriwal's life is still under threat. Time and again they have cited that that he has been denied doctor presence, that he has been denied specialist advice, and now consultation has also been an issue. Now the insulin row has been exploding time and again, and over here we have Atishi saying Tihar jail में हो रहे अरविंद केजरीवाल के खिलाफ षड्यंत्र पर एक और खुलासा आज सुबह 10 बजे. So just few minutes from now on, another press conference is coming up.
All right. We also have Tetri on the broadcast. Let me go across to Tetri. Tetri, another khulasa is what Aam Aadmi Party is claiming now amid the war of words over insulin.
It is certainly expected that Aam Aadmi Party will be raising up the issue of Arvind Kejriwal's health that they have been picking up since the day when he was sent to first Enforcement Directorate custody and then judicial custody. Also remember that yesterday Aam Aadmi Party senior leader Atishi along with other party supporters of Aam Aadmi Party in fact went outside the Tihar jail and in fact protested against Kejriwal not being provided insulin, and in fact she also told that Kejriwal's health is at threat and he has been intentionally not provided insulin. And earlier also remember that leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, say it be Sanjay Singh, Atishi or Saurabh Bharadwaj, have been making this big allegation against the Tihar authorities, against the BJP, against the Enforcement Directorate as well, altogether, that there is a conspiracy, big conspiracy in fact, to kill the Chief Minister of Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi by not providing his medical necessary equipment that he needs for his medical. And in fact today we'll have to see that what kind of expose Atishi makes, but yes, what our sources are telling us that it is regarding Arvind Kejriwal's health, it is regarding his sugar level fluctuating continuously. Also remember that Aam Aadmi Party had earlier raised issue of Arvind Kejriwal's weight decreasing in Tihar jail by 4.5 kg, then it was about blood pressure, and now it is about sugar that has become...
So the insulin war is only intensifying.